All right, guys, in this video, we're just going to review the taxable portfolio and the Fidelity crypto portfolio. This is the long-term portfolio that I like to show you guys, just transparency and the auto investments that go through it. So we'll just start with it. As you can see right now, account total, we're at 28K, which is nice. The account is growing. We're up 15.58% so far. That's $3,700, almost $3,800 on the year. So it's a good start. We're doing well. FSPGX, our growth fund, which we'll go into later just to break down the composition of it, is our leader right now at 24%. And that makes sense because FSPGX is our technology. And we'll go through the composition so you can see it's got the Apple, NVIDIA, and like Microsoft in there, the big leaders, and they're all up right now. So that shows it. FNILX, or S&P 500, is trailing at 16%, which is doing very well. And then Hershey's, we're up 3%. It's starting to pull back from our entry at $183. So potentially can add to this position soon. Realty income, we're still up almost around 14%. And it buys us dividends every single month, which is really cool. So I like that aspect. And then SCHD, I'll show that as well, the composition. We have almost $8,700 invested in it. So we're up 8%, $700 gain, totaling to that $3,750. So that's good. So let's take a quick look. Let's look at FSPGX just so I can show you what's in it. And I'm just going to show you the composition real quick. FSPGX basically invests strictly into Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA. And as you can see, Apple at 12%, Microsoft 11%, and NVIDIA being the leader only at 5% of this. It's only if only NVIDIA was higher up, this would have been real great because it definitely would have went up, much more. But that's okay. We're okay with that. Moving forward, I just love FSPGX. I think it's a good fund to have. It's a good growth fund. Definitely check out my videos. I've made videos and I'll post it on the thumbnail so you can click on it if you want a detailed breakdown of FSPGX. Next, we have SCHD, which is a dividend ETF, which I hold. And you can see it has a total of 104 companies. And basically, it's got Broadcom, AbbVie, Home Depot, Texas Instruments, all dividend-paying companies. And as you can see, I have another video that I'm going to post on this. So if you want a detailed breakdown of SCHD, you can definitely check it out. But this is my long-term portfolio. I think it's good to see it. All right, next is Ethereum and Bitcoin. As you can see, we're still holding the position. We're up 44% total. We definitely lost some percentage gains because last week I was up 80% on Bitcoin. Now I'm only up 57%. And Ethereum, I was up 50%. And now I'm only up 33%. So I'm actually looking to make an entry into Ethereum. I'm going to buy more Ethereum. I'm waiting for 2,000. And Bitcoin, I'm still waiting for 32,000 or lower. So as you can see, Ethereum, we have a $1,670 cost basis with $1,750 in. And Bitcoin, we have $1,500 invested at $25,440. So we're definitely looking to add to these positions, but I want to just be a little patient with it, and then we will add more to it. All right, guys, so just keep in mind, we're doing automatic investments. I'll post that video as well so you can learn how to do it if you're interested. But under activities and orders, it just shows you I'm just buying $63 of FSPGX and $62 of FNILX. Because they're index funds, you can just do the automatic investment. What I've noticed is, though, my SCHD fund that I'm trying to contribute to automatically, for some reason, it's only investing in as cash. So I'm getting that $35 and I have to manually buy it. So I'm wondering if Fidelity doesn't allow you to do ETFs as automatic investments, although it says it can, but for some reason it hasn't been going through. But as you can see, I'm also getting the dividends from Realty Income. So I made a purchase on Realty Income. I bought a little bit more, $56 more because I had a little cash left over on the week. But Realty Income, as you can see, is paying me $2.78. And then we have February coming up, so we'll get a payment from them as well. But all my buys are automatic. Automatic investments, nice and easy, definitely something to consider. And I'll post that video too for you to check out because I definitely think it's worth seeing if you are interested in just doing long-term investing. You can easily do that and it's not difficult at all. It's easy to set up and it's hands-off, and that's what I like about it. All right, so for those of you just wondering and you just want to stay on this video to learn it, if you're on the Fidelity website, just type in automatic, click the enter button, and then you can see your scheduled transfers here. where you could basically, it just, Fidelity offers like a way investing a regular habit. That's what I'm doing every Monday. I buy those. You click manage scheduled transfers. And then when you click under that, as you can see, it has my 2 investments that I do. And it'll show the next date that it's going to buy. Today's January 24th, so it'll buy another, $125 worth of this. I'm going to create new activity, do investment, and then it's going to bring up your ticker symbol and box. So I was trying to do SCHD, and for some reason, I'm trying to do $25 a week, and it's just not going through. I'm not sure why. So maybe with ETFs it struggles, but we'll click the date and we'll see how it goes. You can use your linked bank account, which is beautiful. That makes it nice and easy, and it has the January 29th here. So I will set it for this, and let's see if it goes through on the next week's video when it pulls the money through. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my channel, Trading Simplified. Definitely feel free to check out, my videos, my playlist, the long-term investments, and I'll leave those, how to set up the automatic investments, the SCHD, FSELX, all those index funds, just so you can quickly click on them. They'll be at the end of the video. All right, until next time.